be trying 2 different methods with the aloe vera. I have my nice chunk of aloe vera right here. This is how it's looking. And I also have my aloe vera in this bowl. Like, it's so juicy. I'm going to be doing these 2 methods. I'll do the one on one side and the other on the other side. Let's put this away. Okay, so I know a lot of you probably seen this method. Lots of videos show that you cut the aloe vera in half and you put it on your scalp and you pass it through. I've never, in the many years I've used aloe vera, I've never done this, never. So I decided to give it a try just to see, like, is it going to make a significant difference? Is it a great method to use, especially if you have super thick natural hair? Is this right for you? So I decided to give it a try, and let me tell you. So you see, when I'm digging my fingers into the aloe vera, so what's happening is my fingernails is taking out like little chunks of the aloe. So chunks of the aloe is pretty much sticking in my hair. So this method is just, it's a pain to say the least, because then you're gonna have a bunch of chunks of aloes in your hair that you kind of will be struggling to take out. So I don't recommend using the aloe vera this way. What I do recommend, I will share with you in the video, and this is how I've been using aloe vera for the longest while, okay? So keep watching and you'll see how I do it. So I just wanted to add, if you have a million aloe vera leaves, and you don't have to dig your fingernails in them, then you could use this method, because then you won't have the chunks. Like, you would just have 50 leaves sitting down and you would be passing each one on your hair without digging your finger in. But once you start digging your finger into the aloe vera, that's when the chunks start coming out and it goes all over your head, and it's just a disaster. So I don't recommend this method. Here is the method that I do recommend. So right here, I have some aloe vera that I already chopped up. I already removed the spikes. I already peeled the skin and I froze it. So you could leave it thaw out, or you could just put some hot water on it and let it melt for a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend this, strain it, and that is what I'm going to be using on my hair. And it works like a charm. Now, what I did realize is, because I applied the aloe vera leaf directly to my hair, and then I added the aloe vera gel after, I noticed that one side was extremely moisturized, because then it has so much more aloe vera inside of it. So what I do recommend with this mixture, I only had about 2 leaves. I would recommend you probably do a mixture of 3 or 4 leaves, and then blend it and strain it, and then apply that to your hair. That way you will get more product to put on your hair, and your hair will be extremely moisturized. But I only used 2 leaves, and for me it worked out just fine. But if you have 4 leaves, if you have 3 leaves, it would be best to use 3 or 4 leaves, okay? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. And I go ahead and I put a plastic bag on my head, and I go ahead and I tie it down with a scarf just to get that heat in my hair. And I could leave this on for like an hour, 2 hours, half an hour. You could leave it on for as long as you want, but I recommend probably half an hour is fine. But I was busy, I was doing stuff, so I left it on for probably like 4 or 5 hours. And then I took it down. My hair felt so good. Oh my gosh, my hair felt so good. So if you haven't done this, definitely give it a try. And I just went ahead in a shower and I rinsed it out. And I usually wash my hair in sections. If you want to see my wash day routine, I'll leave that down in the description. So I just went ahead and shampooed, conditioned, and that's about it. That's about it. I really love this. I really love aloe vera. So if you haven't tried it in your hair, definitely give it a try. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Bye.